Okay, so we're doing succulent dish. A little. This is succulents we choose actually make it. I'm not sure if they gonna all have the best circumstances because those one they don't need a lot of water. But yeah, let's keep this like an experiment. We have a ceramic dish with like 3 holes here. We made it, and then we have a dish under, so can keep like a protection. And then we have it choco bark, lehuzapon also, and we're gonna use some vermiculite to give some extra nutrients and some extra air pockets. Okay, I think we can start with that. I haven't done this before, so it's gonna be super interesting. Maybe we need some protection under. Perfect. We're gonna put some
grids.
grids.
Protection. I don't know what it's called.
So what we should put first, you think? Cocoa bark?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, cocoa bark and then mix that with.
And something like this, maybe? Yeah.
Yeah.
But like a layer. And what about this vermiculite now? Or
Yeah.
mixed together with that?
Yeah, but should we like try to place them out?
That's the plan.
That's fine.
That's the plan. Okay, should we start which one?
Oh, I don't know.
The tall one? Or this one? I think this will be nice here.
Yeah, for sure.
Maybe like this. Or something like that.
Yeah.
And maybe this one here, so it's just a bit like, you know, different shape. Maybe like this. Oh my god. Maybe like this and like this.
Yeah.
Or this here and this here maybe. So this can be like face to...
Yeah, exactly.
Face to window. Sounds good?
Yeah.
Looks good?
This one, should we have it like close to the edge so it can like hang?
Yeah,
You remember the one we
exactly.
saw at the store?
Mm,
Like related hang.
exactly. That's
cool.
amazing. Okay. So, I'm gonna just put this back. So maybe first a little bit, let's choose a layer.
Yeah.
And then we can just remove it from the pots and just start to mix this one and vermiculite together. And then the last layer, only lechuza.
Yeah.
Lechuza, I don't know how to say it.
Stones.
Stones, exactly. Should I remove it this?
The dirt.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit at least. You want me to start with another one?
Yeah, do it.
This is...
Aloe vera.
Oh, you repotted it, right?
Yes. since it's gonna be a little bit dirt from the, soil from those, I think that's good because they're still gonna have some.
Yeah.
Oh, this is very nice gold color.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Then this was here, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's impressive. Yeah, I think it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yes. Ooh.
I really like this one. It looks so funny.
Yeah. All of them, they are very interesting.
Oh, it's so dry. I think we have to pot it like this.
Yeah. I'm gonna do this on the edge. So it's just a little bit hanging after. Something like that, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Just wanna make sure it's also this way. So this one, we said here, right? Not here.
Yeah. And this one, the taco.
Taco.
El taco. Looks so funny.
Yeah.
Looks tasty as well.
Or maybe this taco we should put here and this one here.
Yeah, I can do that.
This is tacos. Yeah, this is super cool. I'm just double checking for pests. Seems nice.
Hope so.
Here
Yeah.
or here?
Maybe.
Maybe here, like before. I think like it's better fit with the colors and foliage of those.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna fill it somehow.
Looks good,
Yeah, it looks really good.
right? Okay. Then I'm gonna just go everywhere around. Then I can take a stick maybe and just move the lettuce around. Yeah.
Should we like lift this one up a little bit?
I'm not sure because then it's gonna touch like down the bottom.
What do you mean?
Because when I put on this, it was kind of hanging, was not long enough. to...
Okay.
But I think if we're gonna do like this and it's gonna grow,
Yeah.
it's gonna be hanging.
Gonna need more.
Here, right?
Yeah.
I think we can put actually this vermiculite on top. More on top.
Yeah, you want that?
No, like after this.
Yeah.
Mm.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, more. Okay, okay. This is like just a bit not really inside, you see?
Hmm?
It's okay like that?
Yeah. We'll be fine.
At least not gonna get over water.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, we need more here. 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 Perfect. And maybe here. Yeah, amazing. It's gonna be a very heavy dish. Yeah?
Yeah, looks amazing.
I
It
think
looks so good when it like starts to grow.
exactly, and I think this is like gold vermiculite. It's gonna pop in amazing also.
Yeah.
Gonna look like dessert. Yeah, it's just a bit hard to do that. But I guess after it can be like spray with water or something.
I'm gonna see if I can find the brush.
Oh, just that. I really like this. Hey Selma, you like it?
I think we threw away all the brushes.
Yeah,
Gotta find a lighter.
for candles.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's fine.
Maybe you can like blow it.
Yeah, then Yeah, we can blow it maybe with this empty bottle. But all of them are full now, so maybe another. Okay. So, what do you think?
That's amazing.
Right? So, should we water this now?
Should we place it somewhere and then water it?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, I think it looks super good. I'm so happy with that. I think it's gonna be nice if this is gonna get more lush, so it's gonna take more space here, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting. We can start watering, I guess so. All around.
ASMR.
I think we can keep this maybe in the here in the living room, so can be a lot of sun on that.
Yeah.
Nice. Selma, nice.